What is up, everyone? This is Motorolz here, and today I'm going to show you how to get auto captions on CapCut for your PC. So let's get right into this. So if you're trying to make a video or edit a video, I should say, and you're trying to add in captions for your video on a PC, basically via CapCut, there's an easy way to do so. Once you create a new project and you add your media file in there, and let's say that already has the audio, and even if it doesn't, you can basically put in the audio file in the audio section here as well. All you need to do next is click into the captions section over here, and in here you're going to see you'll already be filtered on this. If not, just click into the auto caption section, choose the specific language. There's a bunch, but presumably you'll do English. Presumably you can do bilingual as well, but again, you keep it on English, and then you essentially press the generate button. It takes some time, but this will essentially end up generating the captions component itself, and then you'll see all of the captions essentially to get generated here. You can use this for TikTok videos if you're trying to do this on PC as well. Obviously you'll have to just change the dimensions and size for it, and you could do this on your phone as well, but I'll make a separate video on how to do that on your phone. Once you do that, you pretty much get your captions ready, and then you'll see that basically it'll start popping up, as you can see, like over here. Here's like an example, whatever, like you'll see that, and you can then change the font and all that other good stuff over here on how to do that. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up, guys, shut up, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorolz out. Peace.